Hi guys, it's Josh here, and today I'm going to be fitting my Piper backbox delete to my MX5. So guys, this is the exhaust, what's going to be going on my 2010 Mazda MX5 NC. So this is the Piper backbox delete. It should be a fairly simple swap, so take the other one off and put that one on. Right, so now the jacks are out in the stands with a bit of moving magic. The car will be jacked up. Now with the car jacked up, ready to rock and roll, take off the next task, which is take off the back box. So what you're going to need is a 14mm socket and the ratchet. Underneath there's two bolts, bolt 1, bolt 2, and then on the other side there's 2 nuts on over there. What you want to do is get your WD-40 or any lubricant, lube them up. So guys, it's currently the morning after. Yesterday didn't really go as planned. One of the bolts decided to seize on and then the nut got rounded off, so I had to faff about trying to get that off. When I finally got it off, it was pitch black, so I decided to wait till tomorrow morning. Currently jacking the car up, getting it ready to go, and then it's literally just a straight swap from now on. So the car's jacked up, and what I've done is I've sprayed WD-40 on the hanging rubbers. I've popped this one off, I popped this one off last night. There's a special tool what you can get for these, but I just use the grips. They somehow work. Gotta put a bit of muscle into it, but it is easily done. So all I do is I put it on like that, put the top of the grips on the pin and the bottom on the rubber, and then I squeeze, and then it should come past this, maybe with a bit of pulling, and then I use my hands for the rest of it. Right guys, this is the old back box. This is what it looks like underneath. There's your mid pipe and the storage area. So now I'm going to fit the 4 rubber hangers what go onto the Piper exhaust. These have been supplied by Piper themselves. So the hangers are now on both sides. Time to fit the actual exhaust now. So the exhaust now hung up nice, and now it's ready. Time to bolt to the mid pipe. So everything's bolted up nice and tight. Perfect fit, nice easy swap, in and out like that at home. So I'm gonna drop it down now and start it up. Cold start first thing in the morning. Nice exhaust tips, fit perfectly within the bumper as the standard ones did. So it's literally a straight swap. Yeah, let's lower it now. So guys, get cold start now. Exhaust will cost £232 including VAT. It also comes with a fitting kit, so 2 bolts and the 4 hangers needed. I'd like to say a massive thanks to the guys at Piper Dynamics for supplying the exhaust. It sounds great when you're driving, not much drone, only at very high speeds, like high speeds. Yeah, so great shout out to them guys. I'll leave the link to the website in the description below and the socials in the description below. Cheers.
Cheers.